Hey, I've got a tutorial for my last trick where mine read and picked your card before you even picked it yourself. So here we go. All right, so there is a stack or setup to this trick. The whole deck is in a stack, okay? So let me show you how it works. It's basically the opposite of the size 7 stack. Well, first of all, let me show you the similarities, okay? It is in chased order, which means clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds, okay? All the way through, clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. Every 4 cards is in the clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. Every 2 cards is red and blacks. Red, black, all the way through. Red, black, all the way through. You'll never see 2 red cards or 2 black cards next to each other. That's part of the setup. And then the last part is it's 3 cards apart, okay? So you can see the 6, 3 cards from that is the 9. 3 cards from that is the 6, the 3, and then if you go backwards, 3 cards from that would be the king, the 10, the 7, the 4, the ace. They're all 3 cards apart, okay? The only difference between this and the size 7 stack is the size 7 stack goes in the opposite order. So size 7s would be king, 3, 6, 9 going this way instead of this way. So it's just the opposite order, okay? That's all it is, but it's the same stack otherwise, okay? So hopefully that's clear enough. If you're not sure what a size 7 stack is, look at Wikipedia and they'll show you exactly how to set it up, okay? All right, then I take the cards and I set them like this and I go, all right, I want you to give me a suit. So let's say they give you the suit of hearts, okay? So all I need to know is the suit and I will find your card. It's an amazing trick, but that stack will make sure it happens, okay? So then you give it some cuts. And again, cuts, all this does is change the starting point. Doesn't change the order of the cards. Okay, well, that's enough. And then you show it quickly like that, so it looks good, but you don't want to show it long enough so that they get a good look at it, because it obviously is a setup. But I'm going to show you again one more time that after the cuts, it's exactly the same, still every 3 cards, red, black, and clubs, hearts, spades, diamond. So everything's exactly the same. So you can cut it as much as you want, and it'll never change the order of these cards, okay? But you can't do multiple cuts, okay? You just got to do single cuts. That's the only thing. So you can't go like this and all over the place. Just single cuts and it'll work every single time. Okay, then what I do is I go, all right, now I'm going to find you a card and I'm going to put it in an exact specific spot and you're going to pick that card and we're going to find that card in a moment, okay? So that's the big fluff of this thing, but really it's just a setup, okay? So then we know it's a heart. So the only thing I know is it's a heart. But that's all I need to know, okay? Then I go, I'm going to find a card and put it in a specific spot, but really all I'm doing is I'm looking for that king of hearts. Whatever king they pick, if it was the spades, you put the king of spades on the bottom. That's the setup. Once that king's on the bottom, this trick will work every single time, okay? And then I kind of go through, look like I'm looking at a bunch of cards, and then I find the king of hearts, and all I have to do is put it on the bottom, and now the trick is all set up, okay? Okay, now you can pick any card 1 through 13 and it will be a heart. Okay, and it'll come in, I'll show you how that works now, okay? So we have the king of hearts on the bottom, okay? And I say again, now I put your card in exactly the spot I want it to be in, because I don't have to do that because this is gonna work every single time. So let me show you what you have to do now, okay? So let's say the number is 2. So you go, all right, I want you to take that 2 and whatever number it is actually and multiply it by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, okay? It could be the 4th card in this deck. Again, this is a bunch of fluff, just, talking through the trick, but it's not, okay? And then you take it and multiply twice, okay? So 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 times whatever, again, the second time, it'll work every single time. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. So the 8th card in this deck is your card, the 2 of hearts. Again, the hearts are on the bottom. Okay, so watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 8th card, every time it'll work. All you have to do is follow those steps, okay? All right, let's do it again. So let's go with the next king, whatever one it is. Okay, so it's a king of clubs, okay? So right now I'm going, all right, I'm putting a card in a specific spot that we will find in a moment. But again, all I'm doing is putting the king on the bottom. And now we want to find a club, okay? So they can put 1 through 13. Again, ace, 1, king, 13, queen, 12, and a jack, 11, and then just numbers, okay? So this time, let's say they say 6, okay? So we go, all right, take that 6, double it up, that's 12, And then again, your card could be the 12th card in this stack, but it's not. And then again, 6 times 2 is 12. And then do it again. 12 times 2 is 24. And then again you go. I can guarantee that the card you want is the 24th card, is the 6 of clubs, okay? And again, you don't show the clubs. But it is the 24th card. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And the 24th card is the 6 of clubs. So just follow those steps. Those numbers will work every single time. It's a great mathematical trick. Hope you liked the tutorial. Go back and watch the trick. Thank you for your support and have a great day.